Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DocuSign for AI document workflow automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin your subscription to DocuSign, navigate to the official DocuSign website. Once the home page loads, locate the Get Started button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the process. You will be redirected to a page displaying different subscription options. Review the available plans to find one that suits your needs for AI document workflow automation. When you've chosen a plan, click on the corresponding Choose Plan button. On the next page, you will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. After entering your information, click on the Continue button. You may be asked to verify your email address through a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Check your email for the verification message and click on the link provided. This will redirect you back to the DocuSign site to complete your account setup. Next, you'll need to enter your billing information. Provide the necessary payment details to process your subscription. Once your payment information is complete, review the terms and conditions. If you agree with the terms, check the acceptance box. After processing your payment, you will receive a confirmation message. Your DocuSign account is now active and ready for AI document workflow automation. Log into your new account using the credentials created earlier. Explore the features available for document automation within the dashboard. Begin creating workflows tailored to your specific needs with the tools DocuSign provides. Enjoy the benefits of efficient document management and automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.